Now we will see about average speed. So, average speed and average velocity. So, here average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Suppose you are moving from one place to another. Suppose you are going from Delhi to Agra. You have taken 4 hours. So, you just find total distance traveled and then divided by the total time taken, you can get average speed. Now, average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time. So, here just to find total displacement and divided by total time, you can get average velocity. So, now as I have told, both are measured in meter per second or in kilometer per hour. You can say also these average speed and average velocity or speed and velocity. So, now we will take examples of average speed, average velocity and the speed and velocity. So, how do we calculate in different cases these average speed and average velocity? Now, we will study in examples.